Composite cardboard infill is used to comprise the dividing walls and built-in cabinetry that define the volumes and spaces within the structure, with the formula consisting of recycled packaging cardboard, inert agents such as bentonite clay, and chopped basalt fiber to produce a strong, lightweight, non-toxic, and easily manipulable material. Typically cabinetry and other built-in and flat-pack furniture is constructed from either plywood or particle boards such as MDF with synthetic finishes such as melamine. These materials are dense and heavy, using a large amount of wood product while giving a poor strength-to-weight ratio. Our composite cardboard system strategically uses wood and aluminum for strengthening and bracing while using honeycomb cardboard and wood or other material veneer for finish and additional strength to give a far superior strength-to-weight ratio. We also utilize a high percentage of recycled material in our composite cardboard infill. In addition to being utilized for cabinetry and built-ins, our composite cardboard panels are used to completely replace the traditional wood stud and sheetrock framing systems. Bentonite clay is a chemically inert, non-corrosive, natural clay. It is the most economical and efficient fire retardant. Our composite cardboard using this clay will not support an open flame. Infill has a superpower. Through the use of low Bluetooth locking mechanisms built into doors and drawers, infill spaces can be programmable, and through the Infill smart home app, homeowners can set child-proof modes and guest settings, streamlining the ability to rent out the space on short-term vacation rental sites like Airbnb. Infill's composite cardboard system strategically uses wood and aluminum for strengthening and bracing, while the honeycomb cardboard provides additional strength and a far superior strength-to-weight ratio. This blend of materials not only reduces the reliance on wood products but also significantly increases the recycled content in the infill, further enhancing its eco-friendliness.